Hi, this is Mike Pravat. You're seeing this video because you just typed in what is a good lawnmower. Hey, right here, this is one of the best that I've ever had. Very happy with it. I've had Sears, Riders, Craftsman. Sears Craftsman ride mowers. I've got a push mower right now, self-propelled. Craftsman, that's a very good one. It's like a 22 inch cut. Whenever I'm pushing these ditches and stuff like that, wherever I want to. But so far, I haven't had to use it much. I might have to use the weed eater just a little bit. But this thing, it goes up and down all them ditches out there, and you see that crest on that hill. You go down on the other side. It's steep, very steep. But this thing, to ride it, it will. And it never feels like it's going to turn over on you, which is why I like it. It's wide. It rides great. Got plenty of power and climbs like you ain't never seen before. But hey, this one I think is a very good one. I don't know if what you're looking for, or how much money you're looking to spend. This one would cost me about $2,700. Yeah, it's stupid air conditions, but Cub Cadet RZTS zero turn rider, 42 inch cut. Here's the mower, the motor, Kohler 22. Hey, real good. Now I had to buy this right here so I could, pull my whenever I'm hooking up and I'm doing, say I'm fertilizing or anything like that, then I can hook a trailer to it and I can pull it around and do what I need to do. So anyway, I do encourage you to go ahead and get you one of these if that's what you're looking for. But like I say, they are around $2,700. So and I bought it from Home Depot. Is where I had got this one from a couple years ago. So hey, get yourself one, enjoy. And I bought this from my job online part-time that I can do from my laptop anywhere that I am. I don't care if I'm in a coffee shop. I don't care where I am. If you've ever thought about doing something like that, well hey, here you go. Here's your chance. Go to www.cashinyourfuture.com and check it out. Okay? Good luck. Get you one of these. Enjoy cutting your yard. I enjoy it. I enjoy all kind of stuff. I just built this fence just today, and we're going to let it cure out some, and then we're going to stain it, and we're going to stain it to match this fence right here. I love doing my projects, and I can do that because I have a good online job, and hey, absolute, well, you really can't call it a job, but it's what I do, and it's part-time. So if you ever thought about it, come join us. Take care.